Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back, and today we are going to discuss this particular question based on balls of probability. So let's have a look at the question. The question says a bag contains 6 green, 7 red and 3 white balls. A ball is chosen without looking into a bag. Find the probability that the ball is. See, in this one we are having no restrictions कि okay this removed or that is removed. No. So how we are going to do? First is said is 6 green, some certain colors of the balls are being told and quantity is being told. Okay. Now first question says, this is no trickiness in this, and first says find the probability that the ball is red. For the first one, red, we will find out here. Solution for this one. So probability for red ball equals to number of red balls, or we can number of favorable outcomes. We can say what? Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of balls we can write, or total number of outcomes. Total number of balls, or we can say outcomes. ठीक. So how many red balls are there? 7. And total number of balls will be 6 is green plus 7 red and plus 3 of white. So it will be what? 7 upon 16 will be the probability for red ball. Okay, this will be the probability for red ball. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let's have a look for second part, which says, I will be doing it here. I think it's clear on the screen. For part 2 says not white. It's written not white. Okay, it can have written not white ball. So in order to make it sound very difficult, not written this ball word, you need to be like conscious enough. So if you find white thing is going on, ball things are going on, so we have to do that. So probability for not white ball equals to number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcomes. See, now here we don't have to write the white one. So what we will be doing, we will be writing the left one. What are they? 6 green plus 7 red upon total number of outcomes for how many? 16. That was 6 plus 7 plus 3. Okay, total number of quantity we have to write it. Okay, we cannot skip it over here. So what will happen? It will become 13 upon 17. This will be the probability for not white ball. I hope it is clear on the board. Let me do third part also here. Let me I think now it's question is visible, no? Yes, question is visible. Now the third part says, I'll be doing third part over here only. White or green ball? White or green ball? Let me clean this so that it becomes more clear. Okay, so because I don't want that, I do have space. So no, white or green, I can write it over here. Let me clean it up. Now we have probability for the third part, which I'll be doing here. probability for white or green ball. So we can write number of white plus green balls, or we can add number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. It's totally dependent. Okay, total number of balls. Okay, so what is 7? White is 3 and green are 6 upon, it was 16, it will become 9 upon 16 will be the probability for white or green ball. So this was the very first question for ball part. Let's have some more question based on ball criteria only, so that it can be clearly more clear this particular topic to you, so that you can yourself do any sort of question based on this particular topic. So we have a next question for ball base. See, my criteria is not like this कि I am uploading individual questions so that you can understand what the question says. I am doing what, so that the concept of solving question should be clear to you, so that you can solve any of the questions. You should not be dependent, okay, this question I know, this question I don't know. You should know the concept. You should know the concept, so that you will be able to solve any question by yourself related to that particular topic. Like simultaneous equation I have uploaded. If you will follow those series, you will be able to do any question related to it. Similarly, I am doing with the probability, or many other I have given. We have determinants, linear equation, quadratic equations, compound interest, simple interest, determinants, and many other. And we are having what? Probability. So I hope you are getting my point. My vision is to clear the concept rather than making rote learning of a particular question. Okay? Get my point. So let's have a look at this particular question. What does it say? Let me read it out for you. There are 60 balls. How many balls are there? Let's begin with the solution. Always remember, whenever you are doing the solution, when you read the question, note it down. Total balls are how many? Balls equals to 60. In a box, ठीक. Some are white and others are black. Now see, total number of balls are given, but they are not defining. Some are white and some are black. Fine. The probability of getting a white ball is this of getting a black ball. How many of each color balls are there? Now see here, what is the trickiness of the question? Here in this question, what are they saying? They have given the total quantity, ठीक? And they are saying कि some are black and some are white, but the quantity is not told. Second term में, and they are asking कि how many color balls are there? कि what is the quantity of black and what is the quantity of white? Other than black and white, any other color is not being discussed over here. So that's why two colors are there. And the trickiness this is, the probability of getting white ball is 3 upon 2 of getting a black ball. So we need to find it out that. Okay. Let's see. Fine. So what we will do, some are white. So let white balls be X. Okay. Then what will happen? And others are black. So black balls equals to 60 minus X. Of course. Why? Because total quantity is 60 and we don't know about the quantity of, so quantity of white, we let it be X. Whatever will be subtracted, 60 will be subtracted from the white balls, then we will get the quantity of what? Black balls. This is understood? Fine. Now next is probability of getting white ball. Probability of white ball is equal to, is like a equals to लगा, is 3 upon 2 of getting क्या? Probability of black balls. I hope you understood till here. Now see, fine. After that they are discussing about what? Probability. So first we will find the probability of white ball. By probability of white ball equals to, you all know, number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcome equals to favorable outcome. What is there? X. And what is the quantity? 60. ठीक है? This you all know. Till now I think you have understood what is there. Probability of black balls. Same thing will come. Same formula I'm not writing over here. I'm just writing. Okay. What will be that? According to this formula, what it will be? 60 minus x upon 60 will come. This is what the probability. Now we need to look at the question. What it says, probability of getting white ball. Probability of white ball is 3 upon 2 of getting probability of black ball. Let's put value over here. I think it's clear. So what is the probability of white ball? X upon 60, and this is 3 upon 2 into 60 minus x upon 60. Okay, so okay, it's not clear. Now let's solve this. It will become this 120x, okay, and this will be 60 into 180. 180 minus sorry, wait. It will come like this. Let's solve more, and this is being cross multiplied into 60 as well. 6 or 12, ठीक है, इतना ठीक है. 120x and it will become what? Plus का 180x equals to 60 into 180. I hope you got it. This will be multiplied by this. It will give 180 and it will be of minus. It will shift to this side. It will become positive. So we can say 300x equals to 60 into 180. Instead of multiplying it, I will solve it here only. X equals to 60 into 180 upon 300. Start pulsing. 0 से 0 गया. 3 1s are 3 2s are, and we all know 2 into 18 gives what? 36. Okay. X की value आ गई. This is what are white balls, as we let it x, and black balls was 60 minus x. That will be 60 minus 36 will give I think it will be 24. So it will become what? This is the value of black balls. So black balls will be what? 24, and white balls are how many? 36. Here we got the value. I hope till now. So I hope how we did the working of this, and it's being clear to you all. So what we did in this question we read it out. Only the total quantity was given, and some things were given. Okay, black balls are there, white balls are there, and some probability conditions were given. First we let it 1. What is the quantity? Total was there. Then we find it out. We let it x to be white balls and black to be 60 minus x, because it was the total quantity. It can be any. Then we made it the probabilities. Find it out the probability of white balls and black balls according to the condition, and then whatever the condition was provided in the question, we made it that, and we find it out the value of x, and here we find out what? Black balls and white balls according to our condition. I hope till now the process and the understanding of probability is becoming more and more clear to you all. See, make your concept clear. Don't make things to be like learn. Concept should be clear in your mind, and you can do question anytime. Okay, learn the concept. That's it. You not need to learn. You need to understand the concept. Sorry for wrong word I used. And I hope everyone is good, doing great in their life. Best of luck, everyone, and keep doing maths and be happy. Thank you for your support. Allah Hafiz.